Principles of dance. So principles is how to dance pretty. So number one, of course, have your natural turnout. Number two, it's brushing. It's brushing. Number three, it's how you place your foot. It's a heel and toe on the same line, and you can combine brush, turn out, heel and toe, same line. Brush, turn out. This already make you look very good. And number four, it was how your foot is traveling. It's always traveling on toe, ball, then heel. You would never want to go in Latin dance from the heel. Toe, ball, heel. So if this is the heel, this is ball, this is a toe. So it goes toe, ball, then heel, and has this like sliding flavor. And also number five quality is always keep your feet on the floor. So whatever you do, we don't want to lift. We drag the feet on the floor. Like we have a small paper. So like you have like $100 under your feet. You always want to keep them. Toe, ball, heel, always contact with the floor, drawing a beautiful posture. Okay, so this is a fundamental principles.
Да,
They
я
all,
посмотрела видео уже.
what?
Вчера
Five,
как раз.
да, five fundamental principles. And now how to, like what to dance. What to dance, we have to learn this elements of dance. Very simple. What are the elements? So we have five type of walks. So we can have walk forward. We have walks forward. We can have walks backward. We can have walks to one side. We can walks to other side. And we can have what? Walks in place. So how many? Five. Five walks. Also, the number two element of dance, which is very important, is called rock step. Rock step. So basically, it can be on any leg. Let's do right leg back. We go rock, step. So we're basically just rocking. Rock, step. Rock, step. So we're not really forward. We're not really back. We're rocking in between. Rock, step. Depends from dance to dance. Could be straight legs. Could be bent legs. Depends on the dance. But we are rocking. Rock, step. Rock, step. And we use rock, step normally to change direction. So we rock, step, and we change. Let's try other like rock, step. We go rock, step, rock, step. And rock, step can go any direction. It can go side to side. We can rock side to side, side to side, rocking side to side. We can rock step forward, back, or we can rock step back to front. So we have five walks, we have rock steps.
Задняя нога всегда прямая. То есть я должна чувствовать напряжение.
Yeah. Depends on dance. Now you have a straight legs. Now straight legs. Rock step. Okay, so the next one, it's a triple step. So we have a triple step. We're going to go one side, triple step, other side. Triple steps, triple step.
Вот это я не знаю, кстати.
So
Я все правильно делаю?
it depends on dance. Again, right now we just learn elements of dance. We don't learn specifics. We just learn how we can do three step to the side. Three step, triple step. So we have now elements of dance. We have walks, we have rock step, we have triple step. What else we have? We have box step. Box step. So box step, it's basically a combination of walks. What kind of walks? Walks forward, side, and walk in place, or which called wave change, and walk back, side, in place. So see, by just knowing the walks, you can create box step. But we specify that a box step is actually on its own, it's already element of dance. Box step. What else? And that's it. That's it basically. So you have walks forward. You have a walks forward. Element number one. Walks back. Walks side. Walks other side. Then we have a rock steps. Rock, step, rock, step on each leg, any direction. We have a triple step, which is the three steps. Triple step, triple step. And we have a box step. Box, step, together, box, step, together, box, step, together. So now how we learn any dance. For example, every dance is combination of these elements of dance. For example, like we learned yesterday rumba. If we take let's say American rumba, or I want to dance American rumba. So American rumba is nothing else as a box step. and it's you can go forward, side, and together. So go box, step, together, box, step. We add timing, quick, quick, slow. So go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But in order for it to look like a boxer, we have to make a very clear steps what we do. We have a forward step, we have a side step, and we have a together. Back, side, together. So давай сделаем, let's do American rumba. It's already, you go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So this dance number one, how to make it pretty is our principles. If you have your natural turnout, if you're brushing your feet, if you're placing your heel and toe on the same line, if you have a footwork, toe ball, heel, it's already will look very beautiful. So let's use it already. Slow, we go quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, and slow. Very good. If we do, let's say, if we want to change it like to different dance, like a waltz, it's going to do the same step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to have a little bit up and down feel. That will be another, this waltz, which you, not your favorite. But that's how you learn dances. Okay, the next one. For example, we want to do international rumba. That's what we learned yesterday with you. How to learn basic on international rumba. So it's basically, it's a rock step plus side step. So you do rock step, side. Now you can do rock step forward, rock, step, side. So this is a basic rumba, combination of rock step and side walk, right? So let's do it again. Let's do it again from here and go rock, step, side, rock, step, side. How to make it beautiful already without knowing, magic. It's our principles. Natural turnout, brush all the time, toe ball, heel as you move your foot. So let's try from here. For example, we want to go back into rock step. So we want to go to this neutral position to have that brush, place heel and toe on the same line. We do rock step, quick, quick, and I want to go side. We have a little bit brush here through the knee, and then we're going side, slow. The same forward. We want to have a brushing sensation here, rocking forward, quick, quick, and side, slow, and quick, slow, and always have connection. So this is basic round. Let's say if you want to do basic cha-cha, how to do it. So we combine rock step with the triple step. So stay like this. We go rock, step, triple step. Yeah, so try that. How to do cha-cha. So it's basically rock, step plus triple step. Triple step. We have a rock, step, triple steps, and rock, step, triple step. How to make it look good already? Again, our main principles. Our feet turned out, placing of the feet, and brushing. Rock, step, triple side, and rock, step, triple step. Excellent. Let's say you want to do.
А triple step я правильно делаю?
Ну,
То есть
пока
это
just
я,
do,
простите, triple
just
step, он какой должен быть?
просто side together side for now. Don't think too much. Yeah. It's again in cha-cha. Yes, every triple step in different dances is different triple step, but nevertheless, it's a triple step. It has a 3 steps.
Okay.
But you just do naturally cha. You already will look good if you follow at least our 3 or 5 points of principles where feet are always turned out. We have a brushing sensation, and we keep feet to the floor connected. Yeah, it's going to be a good triple step because what you do is already good. Of course, we can add hip rotation, body, but that's for right now. We don't really need it. We just need simple understanding. This is our rock step. This is our triple step. This is a rock step. This is our triple step. Then we can count it as a rhythm. For example, we can say slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Or we can count with the numbers, which are a little bit high level. It goes like this, 2, but stay connected with me. 3, 4, and 1, 2. No, yeah. See, that's why you need to understand the structure. It's very simple. Rock, step first. Rock, step, triple, step. Excellent. Do it again. Rock. Very good. Step, triple step. That's it. Okay, what else we can do? If we, let's say, combine rock step and 2 triple step, we get swing and jive. So it goes like this. Rock, step, triple side, triple side. Make it small a little bit. Rock, step, triple side. So this is a swing and jive. So it's 2 dances you learn. Rock, step. And here triple step will be slightly different than in cha-cha, but nevertheless it's still triple step. Right now you can just copy me a little bit. Step, triple step. We have a, yeah, and stay always connected to me. Always pressure between us. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step. Small, small, big, small, small, big. Most of triple steps, not big, small, big. They're always small, small, big. Almost like together. Yes. Small, small, big. Small steps, right. Let's try again. Rock, step. Small, small, bigger. And again, small and big is relative measures. So small, and this will be big to me. Small, small, big. Yeah, yeah, follow Oleg. Yes, there we go. And go. Rock, step. Small, small, big. Small, small, big. Rock, step. Triple step. Triple step. Excellent. So this is already introduction for your swing and jive. Already 2 dances. Now, if we do only rock step and slightly soften the knee, it's a mambo and salsa. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. So it's already you dancing salsa and mambo. We can do the same side. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick. And the social dances, they slightly soft knee, have its specifics. Okay, so this is like basically elements of dance. You can learn a lot of dances with this. Now I want to move to more specifics now. Okay?